Hey, I'm back to put more books in a little free library. So this is kind of funny. I'm about 20 minutes from my house. Did a couple of Facebook Marketplace pickups. After one of the pickups, someone was talking to me about books and they're like, hey, you should go to this Restore, check out their book section. You might find something good. I did find some good things. And most of the things that I bought, I was going to put in little free libraries. Then when I went to pick up the last thing for Marketplace, I drove by a little free library. I double checked it on the app. It is here. We are going to put these books in. I'm so excited. Here's what we have at this Restore. They had paperbacks for 50 cents, hardbacks for $1. So this was $1, but the rest of these were 50 cents. I'm actually reading this one right now, really liking it. This is sort of a graphic novel. This is the start of a series. Really good nonfiction book. I never buy anything new to support She Who Shall Not Be Named. Having this in French, I just thought the accessibility would be good. These are classic, really good one about 9/11, super classic, and you can never go wrong with the Sandra Boynton. So let's check out this little free library. This is really cute. I noticed it right along the path. Look at this, so adorable. And there's a little rock garden too. I think it's not filled up right now though, but let's see what it's looking like in there. Molly commissioned this little free library for Greg in honor of their 10th anniversary as a couple. Oh, that's so cool. We just celebrated my 10th wedding anniversary. The library is modeled after Greg's favorite bookstore, El Ateneo Grand Splendid. Housed in an ornate former theater, this Buenos Aires bookstore is truly an inspiring place. We hope you find inspiration here as well. Okay, so I like that it's based on something. Let's see. Ooh. It is really full in here. You know I have to like organize this bottom a little better, so hang on. It's always fun when you just prop the thing up there. Okay, because some of these are like turned around. I don't like it. A lot of paperback kids books in here. Oh, you know what? I might take that one. Oh, Dog Heaven, that's a really good one. Oh, I might take that one too. I'm gonna take The Rabbit Listened too. These are all those, like, make it look a little nicer, guys. And I understand people come through and they like look at stuff. What is this? Bible? That is a Bible. Okay. Bible. We're going up there. These kind of bigger ones there. A little nicer. I'm gonna put doggies front and center. I'm gonna take these three and put some of these adult ones so you can see them a little better at the top. Flower. It's a flower, a native flower. It's cool though. Yeah, let's just put all these on the top and then doggies in the front. So I did a little tidying, put doggies in the front, all of these here. That's what we got. And then it has a little latch right here, this little thing. There we go. And at this one, I got 3 Imagine Library books. I really like The Rabbit Listened. I think that we own it at home. ABC and You and Me. I know this author illustrator. Rabbit's Snow Dance. Somebody just drove by and was like staring at me because I'm videoing this on the top of my vehicle. If you don't know Dolly Parton's Imagine Library, you can sign up for it if there is a co-sponsor in your area, and you can get a book mailed to you every month. I think from age 0 to 5 if your kid is, and it will have this on the front. We will probably read these at home and then put them back out in little free libraries, but you know you'll see an update if I do. I do want to give a quick shout out to the Little Free Library app because it's really, really useful to be able to find little free libraries near you. And when I drove by, I was like, is that a little free library? And when I waited to pick up the things that I was picking up for the Facebook Marketplace thing, I checked on the app to see if it was here. So I'm gonna do my check-in when I get home, and hopefully we'll have more books for little free libraries soon. Until next time, happy reading and check out little free libraries in your area.